Fastly? Yeah, this is, yeah. Workhorse. I need to buy that one. This one is really, this is a perfect looking high tide flag. I bought some pretty decent size on this thing. I bought 150,000 shares of Workhorse. This thing looks so juicy. Holy shit. Perfect looking high tide flag. Plug short? No, I don't think it's, no. I don't think it's a great short setup. Okay, this UAL is starting to break down. It's the airline stock. I'm also watching SAVE and AAL. AAL looks also, look at this thing. This thing is gonna go down to like single digits if it starts breaking down. Oh shit, TDOC actually, oh, I didn't see that. Oh, it just happened right now. I think I'm gonna go long some TDOC. This is momentum growth leader. What's my stop? Okay, that's not too bad. Let's see here. I bought 7,000 shares. I'm gonna buy a couple of dozen more. Okay, I have 9,000 shares of TDOC now. I think this thing could easily go to like sub 35 today, maybe even sub 30. Like actually, like yesterday on the stream, I said I've never seen anything like Kodak before, but I have. LFIN back in 2017 was exact same scenario, and also AQXB. I think they changed the ticker, but AQXB like 2016 or something like that. NVAX is so far bouncing right off the rising 10-day moving average from the gap down. That's a sign of strength. Tesla held this lower trend line perfectly. It's still stuck in this 1470, 1540, 1550 channel. It's been stuck in pretty much for the past month. There's gonna be a huge move on Tesla once it breaks that channel one way or another. IPHI, a semi-name, looking pretty decent. The report on Tuesday, so not interesting for me. Shoei looks interesting, trying to break higher. D-Dog is having some follow through from yesterday. I have 25,000 shares. I bought late day. I also bought this SPAC late day yesterday. It got some momentum and big volume. It's in the right sector with all the electric vehicles and all that stuff. UAL is about to take out opening range lows. Let's see, IGV. IGV is now below the 20-day again. I don't like it, below 10 and 20. I do not like that. Yeah, this QOLCOM is having a nice little breakup. It's a very slow mover. It's not like a growth leader. And the earnings numbers, yeah, it was a big beat, but it's just not a fast grower. Wow, Kandi, Jesus. I should have done that one instead of Kodak. Oh. Okay. I think Kodak is gonna fade also. It's just gonna take some time, I guess. I took a big loss on Workhorse. Pretty decent loss. 128k. The chart looks really great, but it's just the momentum is not here. Like, it hasn't been here for two weeks. Like, if we would have gotten this breakout 2 weeks ago, this thing would have gone to like 20 today. But the moment, just the violent buying is not here right now. Hasn't been in a while. Oh, really, TDOC? No, wait, what? So my stop on TDOC was 219, and where did it trade? Oh, actually it traded into 217. Ah, that's just bad luck. It's just had the annoying shakeout. Maybe I'll rebuy it. We'll see. TTT short, no, it's not looking like it's breaking down yet. But it could be a short if it starts breaking like this trend line, it's low 420s. We could get a flush to the 50-day moving average. Looks like BNTX, the one I sold earlier this week, looks like it's finding support on the rising 20-day. That's a bullish sign for now. D-Dog is very strong, W is very strong. Okta is kinda sluggish. AVLR is weak. A lot of these good charts look like they want to break down, like Roku looks vulnerable. TTD, Okta. Like IGV looks like shit. Oh yeah, IGV looks like shit. It tried to break above the 20-day and now it's got slammed down. No, I'm gonna size down or sell my long exposure. Now if this overstock can extend to like 90 plus in the next few sessions, it's gonna be a parabolic short candidate. But it needs a couple of more up days. It needs to get to 90, 100. Higher the better. This thing had several perfect high tight flag breakouts along the way, like this breakout here, this breakout here. Unfortunately, I passed on both of these breakouts. What can I say? Save $16 a major level? Yeah, it is. Like, this is a big bear flag. You can clearly see it. Higher lows. It's been building higher lows for like 2 months. You had this clean range break here, like 16-ish. Yeah, I mean, look, this thing breaks down. It's gonna go to $10. That's like a 30% move. More than 30% move. We'll see, obviously, but... Like, look at what happened to BA. Like, this thing actually broke below its bear flag, and now, well, so far it's holding steadily below it. I think this thing can go easily to sub 150, 140 with some time. These breakdown trades have been a bit choppy. But especially if the markets start weakening, you know, these things could accelerate to the downside eventually. NIO is actually building a big flag here. It just probably needs a couple of weeks to, you know, build more of a range, let the 50-day catch up, but it looks kind of decent. Maybe in a couple of weeks there will be a nice setup there. Yeah, AMD, that's the one that got away. Man, I was contemplating buying it here, but nope, I didn't. Because I had this fixed mindset that AMD is like a choppy stock. Like, it had a failed breakout here, had a failed breakout here, so I was like, it's probably gonna fail again. Nope, just look at how perfect it looks on the weekly chart. This is a 5-star setup. It built higher lows for a year. This had this clean range break. This is like textbook. It looks exactly like T-Doc, or not T-Doc. What's maybe Shopify? No, not Shopify. Oh, well, like it looks like it's just a perfect like high tight flag. That's my point. On the weekly chart, not on the daily chart. On the daily chart, it was pretty choppy, obviously. Opinion on Nete. Let's see. Isn't this a crypto name? Oh, never mind. It's okay. It's an electric vehicle name. Well, it is flagging nicely. It's like a high tide flag, but it's a very, very thin stock. But if it starts breaking out of this like low mid 16 area and volume, you know, this thing could go. This thing could go to 20, 25. Who knows? It's a good looking chart, but very thin.